Good afternoon, everyone. Barbie Robinson, again, Executive Director of Harris County Public Health. Again, on behalf of the department, I'd like to thank you all for coming out today and participating in our first ever violence prevention conference. We'd like to thank Commissioner Rodney Ellis, as well as Mayor Turner, for all of their support, investments, and efforts to address violence in our county and in the city of Houston. I can't emphasize enough the importance of those investments in building the infrastructure and foundation for the work that we're doing. And today's conference was an opportunity for all of you all to gain insight, additional resources, build relationships and partnerships with your colleagues here in the room to help advance your work. And so just grateful for all of you all for coming today. And I just wanted to recap some of the great things that we heard. I know that we had breakout sessions, and so everyone wasn't able to attend all of the sessions. And so just wanted to give a recap of today's efforts. And again, regardless of what your role is, whether you're a law enforcement official, a public health provider, a medical provider, a practitioner, educator, it's so important, as Mr. Benny Lee said, for all of us to be in the room together having these conversations. Whether you're someone with lived experience, it's so important for all of us to come together to learn from each other. I'd like to first, say that I hope you all enjoyed the keynote address by Mr. Charles Blow. It was phenomenal, incredible, where he talked about his own experiences growing up in a small town in Louisiana and the culture of violence, as well as the role that poverty plays in creating and perpetuating violence. He was a phenomenal storyteller, so insightful, chock full of evidence-based research and information. So I hope you all enjoyed that today. I also hope that you enjoyed the presentation by our lunch keynote speaker, Mr. Bennett Lee. Such a powerful, enthralling presenter on his life story and how he's taken all of those experiences. I mean, what a living example of the opportunity. And had he not had those opportunities and resources and supports from people just like us, that he wouldn't have been here today to share his wealth of knowledge and inspire us all from his lived experience. I also hope that you were able to take in all of the information and research by Dr. Jeff Temple on mass shootings and the root causes of mass shootings. He's from the University of Texas medical branch. And I also just hope that you all enjoyed the breakout sessions. I know that one just let out late. I believe it was Dr. Thesia Jenkins' session around preventing domestic and sexual violence. We know that we've seen such an incredible increase during the pandemic, and so I trust that that was a lively discussion and the reason folks stayed and were still in the room. I know that tomorrow is going to be an exciting day. We have Commissioner Adrian Garcia and Sheriff Ed Gonzalez kicking us off in the morning. Lucy Macbeth to share her story, Congresswoman out of Georgia, to tell her story and her personal experience with violence in the killing of her son. And so I hope that you all will return tomorrow. You're encouraged to stay here today until 4:30. Enjoy the snacks, mix and mingle, get to know each other. I definitely want to get to know as many, if not each and every one of you, to help advance the work that Harris County Public Health is doing. This is our first foray into this work, and when I came to the county, my goal and mission was to make sure that we're serving as the health strategist and being as impactful for the communities that we serve. And so I'm grateful for all of you all today, and safe travels home tomorrow. We'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning. Thank you.